Hi, do you want to make a spinner? I'll make that. Okay, so first you have to go to insert and then go to chart from illustrations and then go to pi and insert the pi. Click OK. Here we open a bar. You can open with the Excel, so I clicked that is. Now I need to type 1. Now select the cell and if you go in the corner of that, you will see the cursor will change. When the cursor will change, you need to click and drag down unless 30. The number 30. If you don't have available, I will show you. So there it is. Go to view, then formula and the headings. Now you can see. Now cell labels. So one and here drag it. But here if I drag it will come 1, 2. So I just press Ctrl and then so now it is 2. Now cut it. It is saved. Remove this. Actually we don't need this. And you can change the color. Go to design and change colors. I'll give it some sort of like this type of okay, so now I need to insert the text. Now you need to write the format data series and yeah. Add data labels. Now right click or format. Don't click on that. Right click the first one. And here you need to go value from cells. You need to take this one and yep, select 1, 2, 3. And yep, done. Now close that and now remove the value. Here we have value. Right click, not right click but left click and it is done. Select that, right click, say cut and paste it. Now it is turned into a picture. Now I just realized something. If you can, you need to change your like fonts. You can do search with this, change your font I use the hole is better. Okay, the color, so white is better. Now click here and right click and cut. Now paste it to a picture. So I want something more like I don't know how to discuss. So look here and this one is aspect ratio. I give it square. Now press Ctrl Shift and drag it to this size and then click the outline. So what happened, it only select this circle and this chart. Okay, now I'm gonna select the chart, go to animation and click more icon and click speed, so it will speed. Okay, now I'm gonna make the chart like now I am gonna use the tutor chart 0 dot 5 still, I think it will be good. Now click animation pad. Okay, and now I'm gonna select this little icon. The timing, it's very fast move, and now until next click. Okay, so now I'm going to customize it. Now create a circle shape. I will set down and let me do. Now the color will be black. No outline. And yep. Now type something. Now go to insert, go to simple and search web and search die and gs webdex. Or you can select play pause. You need to find so it's the web dice. You click and say insert, select this and insert. Now save close. Make the and make sure remove the gaps. Select that and the font will be bigger.